Okay, so I noticed when looking over the review again, I messed up on number 9, so I just wanted to go over this one real quick. I missed this very important word that says decreases. So I'm going to show you what to do when the question says decreases. So we're going to use the formula A of t. So our amount after a certain amount of time is going to be A times 1 plus r raised to the t. So we have our starting amount, our rate, and our time. So the population of a small town was 3,600 in 2015. The population decreases by 4% annually. What will the population be in 2025? Round your answer to the nearest person. So our amount that we start with is this 3,600. Our rate, here it says decreases by 4%. So usually we would just say 0.04 is our rate, but here since it decreases, we're going to say minus 0.04. And our time is from 2015 to 2025. So in that time we have 10 years. So our t is 10. And now we just plug all of that into our formula. So we have our amount after 10 years is going to be 3,600 times 1, usually it's 1 plus r, but since we have decreases, we're just going to say 1 minus 0.04 raised to the t, which is 10. So our amount is going to be 3,600. We can put 1 minus 0.04 into our calculator, which is going to give us 0.96 raised to the 10. So we're going to click 0.96. We click that x raised to the y, and then 10 equals. And for this part, we get 0.6648. It doesn't matter how much you write down because you can just keep it in your calculator and multiply that by the 3,600, which gives us our total amount as 2,393. It says round to the nearest person, so we can just leave it as that. So when it says decreases, your number is always going to be smaller than your initial starting amount because you're decreasing. So it's never going to be bigger because you're decreasing means it's going to decrease, so it's going to go down. So our total answer, our final answer here is 2,393. If you guys have any other questions from the review, make sure you check out the video on Zoom, but I just wanted to go over this one because I did make a mistake when going over it in class.